course, direct congratulations para sa panibagong project. Pangilan mo na to sa VNX?
Panglima ko na po
Panglima,
itong
suking-suki.
suki po.
Anong pasabog ng lamas compared sa ibang ginawa mo na sa VNX?
Siguro yung Lamas, mas ano talaga siya, grounded in realism compared sa iba kong previous project. So, gusto ko talaga ma-achieve yung naturalistic na approach. So, making it actually more naturalistic realism, I find it parang mas sexier siguro. Kasi parang, di ba, when you're shooting something that's intimate, sexy, parang minsan mas nakaka-relate pag parang mas makakatohanan yung atake ng pelikula. So, ito talaga parang intentional ako sa movie na Lamas compared to my previous project na medyo stylistic, medyo mga plot twist. Ito talaga, intimacy talaga yung gusto ko ma-capture dito.
Okay. So meaning, mas intimate to compared sa before. Or when you say, yung sinasabi mo may pagka-natural, kung yung mga previous work ko before, well-directed, ito, gawin nyo lang natural, para talaga kayo into the scene. Ganun ba yung ibig mo sabihin?
Siguro yung more siguro yung escalation ng love scene. Parang yung parang may build up talaga siya na, 'di ba minsan kasi yung mga previous story ko medyo heat of the moment, passionate like love scene. Ito kasi talagang parang merong build up talaga eh.
Yes,
Parang
kumbaga may background kung bakit nila ginagawa. Hindi na basta,
yes,
yes,
yung older project ko naman meron din pero kasi yung occupation nung mga previous project ko like Sugar Baby. 'Di ba Sugar Baby siya so kailangan nilang
yes,
maglampungan kaagad or Daddy Sitter, ganun din yung last ko. Ito naman kasi parang coming of age siya eh. So meron talagang slow build into for them to start making love eh. Yun yung pinagkaiba.
Ngayon, how was it working with the cast? Sila Akas, kasi Chris, lalo na si Mark Anthony.
It was this is a collaboration na talagang matagal ko nang inaasam kasi Atasca, I've known her for about a year ago. Ang tagal na namin nagkwekwentuhan about making a project together. Sir Mark Anthony, he's a veteran actor, very talented. So talagang natutuwa ako sa kanya. And of course, Christy, she was an incredible actress kasi yung parang teamwork, yung parang collaboration, and I really appreciate yung mga input ng mga actors and giving it to the scene. So yun talaga.
It's a good collaboration kasi you're not just directing din, you're collaborating.
Exactly. So I've always been a firm believer of parang yung chemistry ng actors, yung parang trying to make the best project we can.
Thanks, Derek.